Guys, so I'm doing a separate video for math today, and I will do that this week because we don't have a writing packet for the afternoon. So you'll have your literacy AM learning video, and then you'll have an afternoon video that has math in it, okay? I also have the Brown Bear packet that I'm going to read to you guys today for a read aloud, and we'll be talking a lot about bears this week. Okay. Pull out your math packet. You can identify the math packet because it has numbers around the edges, and it says math packet across the top. Week 12, grade 1. Okay, write your name here on the front so you know it's yours. And then you're going to turn to page 1. And it says Monday right up here in the corner. So all the pages that we do on Monday say Monday in the corner, in literacy and in math. Both packets have that, just to make it easier for you guys. Okay, it also is a really good idea to write your name on each page and the date. Okay, so Paul 11-30-2020. So, for math today it says solve. Use simple math drawings to show how to solve with addition and subtraction. Label the number bond. So there are 5 apples, 4 are Sam's, the rest are Jim's. How many apples does Jim have? Okay, so there's 5 apples altogether. If you want, you can draw a picture. Okay, 5 apples altogether. And I'm not an expert at drawing, but I'm just doing my best here. So here's 5 apples. 5 up here in the top of your number bond. 4 of them are Sam's, okay? So I'm going to put a 4 in the bottom, and then also I'm going to circle 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 here. That's information that's given to us in the story. What we don't know is the rest are Jim's. It doesn't say how many are Jim's, it just says the rest of them. We can clearly see it's just 1 that's left over. So that must be how many Jim got. So 1 goes over here in the number bond. So 5, 4, and 1. You can double check to make sure your math is correct by asking yourself 4 plus 1. Does that equal 5? It sure does, so that's correct. Okay, and down here it asks Jim has blank apple. So he has 1 apple. So we're going to put 1 on that line. And then over here we're going to write 2 different number sentences. So we could say 4 plus 1. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Or you could say 5 minus 4 equals 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Okay. Number 2. There are 8 mushrooms. 5 are black, the rest are white. How many mushrooms are white? Okay, so we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mushrooms, just like that. And it says 5 of them are black. So I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I colored 5 mushrooms black. How many of them are white? So let's count. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3 of them are white. So over here in your number bond, you could say 8, 5, and 3, because 5 are black and 3 are white. You can check your math by asking yourself 5 plus 3, does that equal 8? It sure does, so that is correct. Then down here, it says blank mushrooms are white, and we know that 3 mushrooms are white. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. 8 minus 3 equals 5. Okay, and you can pause the video here if you need some time to get caught up on all of the math. Okay, turning to page 2. Use the number bond to complete the number sentences. Use simple math drawings to tell math stories. Okay? So 8 and 6. So we could say that, let's say that Amani had, she had 8 little flowers. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so I drew 8 flowers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 6 of them are blue. Okay, I don't have a blue, so I'm going to just use my pen here. 6 of them are blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So pretend that these 6 are blue. Okay. 2 of them are white. 2 is what's remaining, so I'm going to put 2 in the missing part of the number bond. And then down here, I could say 6 plus 2 equals 8, and 8 minus 6 equals 2. Just like that. And then down here, you can make up a totally different story. You could say that, so the total of the number bond, the whole, is 9. You could say that the zoo had 9 tigers. Okay, I cannot draw tigers, so I'm going to just draw triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, there are 9 tigers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 of them are white tigers. And the rest of them are orange. Okay, so if 3 of them are white, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them are orange. And we're going to put the 6 over here in the empty box. This means 3 plus 6 equals 9, and that is true. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9 minus 3 equals 6. 9 minus 3 equals 6. If you have 9 tigers altogether, you take away 3 of the white ones, you'll only have 6 left over. Okay? Now, when you're done with that page, you can pause the video here and catch up. When you're done with that page, you're going to flip to page 3. Which looks like this. It says, there are 8 juice boxes in the cubbies. Some children drank their juice. Now, there are only 5 juice boxes. How many juice boxes were taken from the cubbies? Okay, make a number bond, write a subtraction sentence and statement to match the story. Make a box around the solution in your number sentence. Make a math drawing to show how you know. Okay, so we're going to draw 8 juice boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just like that. Nothing fancy, okay? Some children drank their juice, and now there are only 5 juice boxes. So I'm going to count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to say 5. And I'm going to cross out the rest. So I counted these 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I drew this little line thing and I wrote 5. This was how many were left over, so I crossed them out. Okay? Now, it says how many juice boxes were taken from the cubbies. Make a number bond. Okay, so we've got, here's our number bond. Okay, draw something like this. The total from the beginning was 8, so the whole is 8. 5 of them were left over, so 3 of them, let's see, how many boxes? 3 of them were taken, okay? Let's make sure we have, so it says, so we need to make a number bond. We did that. Write a subtraction sentence. Okay, so 8 minus 3 equals 5. Because it started out with 8 in the cubbies, 3 of them were taken and consumed, 5 were left over in the cubbies. Okay? Now we're going to write 3 write a subtraction. Oh, we have to write a statement. So 3 juice boxes were taken. Okay? 3 juice boxes were taken. Put a period at the end of that statement. And then it says put a box around your answer. So here it is. Here's our box. Here's our statement. Here's the writing. Let's double check and see we did everything, okay? So it's asking us how many juice boxes were taken from the cubbies. We wrote down here 3 juice boxes were taken. Then it says make a number bond. Check. Write a subtraction sentence. Check. And a statement. Check. Make a box around the solution in your number sentence. Check. We did that. Make a math drawing to show how you know. Check. We did that. Okay, we are all set. You can pause the video here to catch up. When you're done, last page of math is on the back side here, and it's page 4. It says exit ticket 132. Glenn has 9 pens. Oh, don't forget to write your name at the top and the date, 11-30-2020. Just like this. Paul, 11/30/2020. Glenn has 9 pens. 5 are black, the rest are blue. How many are blue? Okay, so let's write 9 pens. 1, 2, 'Mine look more like pencils, but hey, it's a writing utensil. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, here's my pens. They don't look that great, but it's okay. 5 of them are black. Okay, so I'm going to color 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The rest are blue. How many is the rest? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to write 4 here. 4 pens are blue. Okay. Down here in the bottom, we're going to write 2 different subtraction number sentences and a number bond. So you can start with 9. You started out with 9 pens. Okay. 5 of them are black, so 9 minus 5 means that 4 of them were blue. You could also do 9 minus 4 equals 5. And then in your number bond, you're going to put the whole in the large part, and then your 2 smaller parts in here. So 5 and 4. Go ahead and get this completed, and then you are done with math for today. Yay!